Hello everyone, this is Mike. Welcome back. So I wanted to start this small workshop with you since we have Easter coming soon. It's with Tinkercad. So for those of you who don't know what Tinkercad is, it's an online software application, I want to say, made to make 3D designs and especially made for kids. So it's pretty easy to use, and it goes like with drag and drops. So you take it and you drop it. So you need to have an account for that. So, but before I created a tutorial before to explain a bit more about Tinkercad, how to create an account and so on. So I put the link in the description for you, so you can have a look as well. You know, if you want if you want to know a little bit more. But tonight we're gonna make a ring. So it's gonna be a ring for kids. So it's gonna be a 3D ring, and it's gonna be especially a bunny ring. So it's gonna be a ring that got ears. And after that, you know, if you have a 3D printer at home, so the kids can we can print it. And if you don't have a 3D printer at home, you know, you have places where you can send your file and have it printed. So you know you have a lot of options, I want to say. So first thing first, all right. So you have created your project. So check out the link in the description. You know I explained all of that in the description in the video before. And now you know you go there. So you have all different type of shapes, and we go to basic shapes. So this is where we are right now. So we can find a cube, we can find a circle, we can find a cone, pyramid, and so on. So we start with that that tube, call it like that, tube ring. So that's pretty easy to do there. And we're gonna take three of them. So you hold down, you click your left click on the mouse, and you drop it there. So we're gonna do three of them. So depending how big your finger is, so you click on it and you see here you got one. So this thing is in inches. So you have one. So I don't know if your finger is that big, you know, I don't know. I want to put like half an inch, 0.5. Um, in here too, I want to put 0.5. Oh, yeah, there it is. So we can also change the height. So you can click on it, and when you put your mouse over here, so we have more or less the height. So it's like, let me see, when you put it here, zero point 0.3 inches. Yeah, that's okay. Um, you can start from there. I say zero point 0.5. I can do 0.6 too. Let me change it. 0.7, whatever. Whatever works. There we go. Now we want to create so that's gonna be the main ring that get into your finger. So depending, so you can measure your kid's finger how big it is. So there's gonna be those two parts gonna be the bunny ears. So this is how we're gonna do it. First things first. So we're gonna grab one like this, and we're gonna extend it like that. You see, and you see it's increasing. It goes like two inches. Okay, let's stop it at 2 inches. And from there, you're gonna reduce it as well. You hold that one on the side here. So how big it is? It's 1 inch, and you're gonna reduce it. Okay, there you go. Let me go change the view. We're on the top. Okay. Now I click on it, and I want to change the wall thickness. And you see up, it's getting full. There you go. Now let's try to make it a bit thinner. Goes this way. Okay, it's a bit thinner. Now let's try to make it a bit smaller. So let me click on it. Okay, it's hard to put it on top. I want to catch the middle, and I want to make it smaller. All right, there we go. Let me go to the top. There you go. So that's one of them. Let me see how tall it is. It's 1.5 inches and a quarter. Okay, seems good. So what I can do also, I can delete that. What I can do, I can duplicate that. So you go there, you click on click here, and you click on duplicate. There's all the squares over there. Oh, so that's it. Oh, no, what's supposed to happen? All right, let me see how okay, let me see what's the width. It's 1/4 inch. Let me click on that. It's 1/4 inch. 0.25. 0.25. 1/4 inch. There you go. And now we can put them like this. So now we can click on it like this, and we need to rotate them. So we see when you click on it, you see you got the arrow there, just right here. So you can rotate it the way you want. Oh, let's put it at like okay, this way. Let's see what works better. 21 degrees. So now you hold down the left click on the mouse, and you put it there. There you go. It goes like that. Okay, it goes up this way. Now I do the same with this one. Turn it like this. Put it at like 21 degrees. There you go. Small is like that, so I need to change the grid thing, but you know, it's okay for now. So it sounds like this. So there it is. Small is finished, guys. What do you think about that? And now you need to consolidate all of it. So you grab all of that and you click on, there it is, group them. There you go. Now it's grouped. So you have your mouse, you have your bunny ring, and you can see what it looks like this. So okay, you change, go to the left, to the front. You click on it and use the arrow to turn it like this. There you go. And you lift it up. There it is. That's how I ring. So congratulations. So you can give it a try now and let me know what you think about it. And you can also share your creations and leave a comment below. Like the video and share it with your friends if you like it for Easter. So I hope you enjoy it, guys, and see you soon. Thank you very much.